Hello student, in this video we talk about how to create a lower third in Filmora 12, right? So open your Filmora and from here I drag and drop some photos. So from here I drag this photo, right? Now click on that button, right, to zoom to fit timeline, right? And now click on the titles and then click on this button, the titles, and from here you see the lower third, right? So I click on the lower third and I have downloaded all these lower third. So first I drag and drop this lower third, right, and I want to duplicate this, copy and then paste here to double it, right? Now I want to see that. Now click on it, right, and from here you write your Facebook name or TikTok name or your YouTube name. So my YouTube name is Nurwali, right, and now I play it. So it is a simple method how to create your lower third in your Filmora 12.